Hey guys, this is Matt for Creative. Today we're trying what I would like to call cooking, and this is with something that I've had for a little bit, but I haven't tried it this year. So this is Betty Crocker's mug, what is this? Mug treat. I thought it was mug fresh. Ready in about 1 minute. If you know anything about me, I can't cook. I can't do any of it. This is as close as I can possibly get to it. What you can do is you put this little mix inside a cup and then you put it in the microwave. Literally that's it. I'm gonna show you how easy it is. So this is the box. I have one open here. You get the packet full of chocolate powder, delicious chocolate powder, and then you get this, which is what you would put on afterwards. So we're gonna put this simply in my cup. That's my little Leo mug because I'm a Leo. So first, what you're gonna wanna do is, this is the batter. So you're gonna put this with 1 tablespoon of water or milk. Now, if you know anything about me, I always go for milk. But in this case, whatever the case here, it still is extremely creamy with water. I don't see any need to actually have milk. That's good because I'm out of milk. So 1 tablespoon of water, literally just put it in there. And then what you're gonna wanna do is, if you see it inside here, you're gonna wanna mix this up as much as possible. Now it's only 1 tablespoon of milk. That's basically nothing. And it's not really that much inside this cup. If I had a smaller cup that was microwavable, I would put this inside, but there's no need. Can you actually see in here? Just trying to get this all mixed up. And now it says don't eat the brownie batter. I'm trying to get it off, but again, if you know me, I love cookie dough and batter, and I'm going to eat this. Anyway, depending on what kind of microwave you have, 700, 1000, 1020, it's all just going to be about 1 minute. Literally just put it in here for a minute and you'll be fine. So that's what I'm going to do. I like brownies, I like cookies, I like a lot of different things. It is so hard for me to actually use the stove and bake and do a lot of things, but because myself and a lot of people are on self-quarantine, it gives me the time. This may be the introduction for me to actually get into baking something real. I love brownies. Brownies are one of my favorite things ever. I will eat that brownie batter like there's no tomorrow. But, you know, like usually it's me and somebody else making it. Right now it's just gonna be me. I feel confident in myself to be able to do this. So we'll see how that goes in the future. But for now, literally all I need to do to have like this perfect little warm size portion is just to make this and to put this on top. So literally it's only 1 minute, and that, let's see if you can actually see, that is your triple chocolate cake mix with fudge frosting. So this is cake. And what you should do is just kind of tear a little notch in this and pump the frosting on this. But I've used this for a while now, is I just open this entirely up. Oh, you can't even see this. That's nice. And just empty the entire contents in one fat slab. All the while, if there's anything extra, eating that. So really, this should be evenly spaced out. But what I do is I take this, and this kind of cools it off too, because it's hot, is I literally just mix this up. And you can see the steam coming out of that. It is delicious. I would recommend this to anybody, because if you like cooking, if you like delicious things like cookies and brownies, but you don't know how to bake, this is extremely easy. So I've mixed it up it's like this perfect little portion. If you have any more, you know, maybe that's not the healthiest bit, but this is like the perfect little portion, and this was done in 2 minutes. So I'm very happy. I would say give this a try. This has been one of my favorites for a long time. Betty Crocker mug treats. This one's triple chocolate cake mix with fudge frosting. They do come in different flavors. This one comes with 4 inside. There are some, it's not just chocolate. Chocolate's the best though, but it's not just chocolate. Everything's included, and literally it's that easy to make it. And for me, it doesn't fill this cup up though. If you put maybe 2 packets, maybe 3 packets, it would fill it up, but this is like a coffee mug. And it does not fill that much, but this is perfect. You don't need any more. At least I don't need any more. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. You can find me on Instagram at m8b9. You can email me at matt8b9@gmail.com. You can ask any questions or begin a dialogue in the comments section below. If you like this video, you can applaud. That helps out so much. And like, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. I'm going to enjoy my treat. Bye, guys.